VUZI stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So just observing Vuzix, which is VUZI. This is how my chart looks like, and you can see it's a bullish market for me. Now this might seem unusual, and I get it, but I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, and I've spent thousands of dollars on core cement ships, specifically VUZI. I'm still willing to take it out, right? Like, this has been like an ongoing bullish theme even from the beginning here. So that was like 195, number 526. And there's been like all these other ticker symbols on my timeline. Now, I mean, unless the price, it doesn't even have to retrace like this lower, but I just want to see some retracement in order to take things up. In the meantime, all I will keep doing is I'll just keep waiting. So if it just goes up and takes the highs out without me, so be it. Like, I really would not aim to force anything here. So that's how VUZI looks like for me. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.